T2.6. The figure shown is the density curve of a distribution. 7 values are marked on the density curve: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, which of the following statements are true? Okay, well, let me just start with what I know about density curves. Okay, the first thing I know about density curves is the total area under the curve is equal to 1, right? 1 is like the equivalent of 100%. Okay. The second thing I know is that the median should split the area in half. Right. The median is the halfway point. Okay. And then because this one is skewed to the left, then I could conclude that the mean will be less than the median. Right. The low values here in the left tail need to get averaged in with all the other values, but because they're low, they're going to bring the mean down. Okay, so let's start looking at the choices now. The mean of the distribution is E. Okay, so that's E. I highly doubt that that's the mean. Okay, if the median splits the area in half, my best guess would be that the median is D. Right, I'm thinking that this is about half the area to the right of the blue line, and that's about half the area to the left. I mean, it's hard to tell because these are standard shapes that we're used to, like squares, rectangles, or triangles. I'm just making an estimate. Okay, so that would mean that like C would have to be the mean, right? Because the mean is going to get pulled towards the long tail. Okay, so I don't think it's A. I'm going to eliminate that. B. The area between B and F is 0.5. So B to F, let's not make it B to F, right? They're saying that area is 50%, 0.50. I doubt that too, right? That's a majority. It's a majority of the area. It's probably closer to 80 or 90%. Okay, so I think just common sense, we can eliminate B. All right, C. The median of the distribution is C. Now again, I highly doubt that. If the median were at C, then we're basically saying that this is 50% of the area, and all of this is the other 50%. I think that this is more than 50%, and that's less than 50%. Okay, so I don't think C is the right answer. D, the third quartile of the distribution is D. Okay, so the third quartile is also the 75th percentile. So that would be saying 75% of the area is to the left of D. Okay, is that 75%? No, again, if I had to guess, I would say D is the median. I think that's the 50th percentile right there at D. Okay, I don't like that answer choice. Okay, E, the area under the curve between A and G is 1. Okay, well, A is basically the left end of the curve, G is basically the right end of the curve. So they're saying the area from A to G, that's the total area, right, is equal to 1. And that's one of the properties of density curves. The total area is equal to 1.